If you need to create a professional diagram fast, Lucidchart is one of the easiest tools to use. In this video, I'll show you how to use Lucidchart for diagram creation step by step, so you can build database tables, connect relationships, and even export or share your diagram when you're finished. Whether you're a student, developer, or business analyst, this tutorial will help you get started with confidence. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Lucidchart and start a new blank document, or choose an diagram template if you want a quicker start. Once you're inside the editor, the very first thing you need to do is enable the ERD shape library. To do that, look at the left-hand menu and scroll all the way to the bottom, then click More Shapes. A new window will open with a list of shape libraries. In the search box, type Entity Relationship. When you see the Entity Relationship option, check the box next to it. Then click Use Selected Shapes. This adds the diagram tools to your sidebar, which makes it much easier to build your database model. Now that the ERD library is enabled, you can start adding entities which represent your tables. From the left menu, drag and drop an entity shape onto the canvas. Place it where you want your first table to appear. Once the entity is on the canvas, double-click the header area and rename it to match your table name. For example, you might name it Customer, Product, Order, or Employee, depending on your database. After naming the table, you can adjust the attributes, which are basically the columns in that table. Click the entity shape and then look to the context panel in the upper right corner. There, you can increase or decrease the number of fields so the entity matches your data structure. Add only the fields you need and keep it clean and organized so the diagram stays easy to read. Continue this process to build out the rest of your tables. Add each entity one by one, rename them clearly, and format them so your diagram reflects the real structure of your database. Once the tables are in place, the next step is defining relationships between them. This is where Lucidchart really helps you visually map out how your data connects. Hover over an entity until you see the gray dots appear near the columns. These dots are connection points. Click and drag from one attribute to another to create a relationship line between the two tables. Connect the tables according to your database design, whether that's one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many. As you connect them, make sure the relationships make logical sense so your diagram accurately represents how the data will work in practice. If you're building a more advanced database, this step is especially important because the relationships determine how the data is stored and queried. Now, if you already have a database and want to bring it into Lucidchart, you can use the Import feature. Open the Entity Relationship Shape Manager, click Import, and select your Database Management System, or DBMS. Lucidchart will guide you through the process so you can paste the generated query into your database. You can also import schemas directly from Salesforce, which is helpful if you're working with existing business data. On the other hand, if you've already built your diagram and want to use it elsewhere, Lucidchart also lets you export your ERD. In the Entity Relationship Shape library, click Export, choose your DBMS, and copy the auto-generated SQL statements. You can then paste those statements into your database or application. This is a great way to move from planning to implementation without rebuilding everything manually. Once your diagram is complete, you can share it with your team. Click the Share button in the top right corner to collaborate with other people in real time. If you need a file version, go to File, then Download As, and choose the format you want, such as PNG, JPEG, SVG, or PDF. That makes it easy to present your diagram, include it in documentation, or send it to teammates and clients. And that's how to use Lucidchart for diagram creation from start to finish. You've enabled the ERD shapes, added entities, defined relationships, and learned how to import, export, and share your work. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.